Editing panoramic videos on a phone. Panoramic videos shot with your device must be edited before they can be shared as regular videos. Transferring files. Use Quick Transfer in DJI Fly to transfer the footage from the aircraft to your smartphone at a high speed. Power on the aircraft. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services on your smartphone. On the DJI Fly home screen, tap the Quick Transfer or Wi-Fi devices panel to start the connection. Once successfully connected, you can access the aircraft album. Tap the download icon to download the footage onto your smartphone. The aircraft can only connect to one smartphone at a time when using Quick Transfer. To use another smartphone, disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the current smartphone, then connect the new one in the same way. Editing a single clip. Tap a panoramic video in the album, then tap the play button to enter the edit page. The video plays in the original flight view by default. You can export this view or reframe the video before exporting. Region keyframe. You can reframe specific moments based on the default view. Scrub to the desired point and tap the icon to add a region keyframe. Select a preset on the right or zoom and drag the screen for quick adjustments. Once set, tap the play button. The video will smoothly transition to the new view and then return to the default view. To adjust the transition duration, drag the edges of the keyframe. Tracking. This feature can keep the subject in the frame during sports scenes. Press and hold on the screen or tap tracking. Drag on the screen to select a subject, then tap Start Tracking. Tap Stop Tracking to complete framing. Quick Framing. Tap Quick Framing. Then tap the record button. Rotate the phone to look around, or use the joystick to assist. Use the sidebar to adjust the FOV. Tap the record button again to complete framing. Highlights. Tap Highlights. The app will automatically identify the subject and adjust the view to create multiple highlight clips. Editing multiple clips. Tap Create on the home screen. You can use the one-tap edit feature or create a new project for manual editing. Select multiple clips to start editing. You can merge all clips in the default view and export with one click. Alternatively, you can reframe specific clips before exporting.